my name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you're here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe, so you don't miss out on any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want you to know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. Sorry I was MIA. Okay, so my friend, she got married. We're best friend of like 18 years, okay? Had to be there for her. She needed me, so I was there for her, and I just didn't have time to edit both videos, blah, blah, blah. And then right after the wedding, I got COVID. So today I actually tested negative for COVID, and I was like, all right, I'm going to film this video ASAP and get it up. We went and toured the 19 Mile High. And this place is brand new. You're gonna be the first person living in this unit if you rent it like right now at least. And they do have a lot of deals going on. I'm sorry, it's been like 2 weeks since I have toured this place, so I don't know what the deals are, and the deals are most likely different now. But the person that toured me was really awesome. I'm sure that she will tell you about the deals. Her name is Shelby, and she was seriously awesome. If you guys get the chance to go there, I definitely recommend getting a tour from her. She literally took me to so many different units and was like, which one do you like the best? Like, I wanna make sure that we find you your perfect home. And they really do have a few different layouts or like in different spots of the building and stuff. Like my favorite unit, you walk out from the bedroom and you literally see the city, and you see Elitch Gardens, I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure, Elitch's, and it just looks so cool. Like you have the city and then like roller coasters, and I'm like, I would like this one, please, another time. So this was my favorite unit of all of the units that we toured. Sorry that the lighting is off, but it will go back in a second. Like I said, she took me to tour a lot of different units, but we're not gonna be talking about my favorite unit. We're gonna talk about the one that I toured first, and then you guys are gonna get to see everything else. But let's go ahead and hop into maps really quick so that you guys know exactly where this place is located. So like always, the red pin right here is exactly where these apartments are located. And let me tell you, these are in like such a good spot. First of all, if you like football and you like the Broncos, you're literally right there. You can walk there. You don't have to pay for Uber or parking. You can literally walk there. It's pretty cool. There's so many different views that you can have, but my favorite one is facing this way, which is the last apartment you guys are gonna see. I-25 is literally right here. I don't know why this doesn't say I-25, because it is okay, now it does, and I don't know why it just flipped like that. But if you need to go downtown, you're basically downtown. You're super close to Elitch Gardens, the aquarium, and all of the schools, depending on which one you go to. And you are super close to Lodo, which is a really great area because there is a Whole Foods market. There are a bunch of restaurants. Let me see and show you guys. Like, there are so many different places here that you can go and eat and work or whatever. This is in a great location. There's not too much to show. Trader Joe's is over here. Love TJ's. I don't know what else to say. I really like this apartment, honestly. Now that you guys know exactly where this place is located, let's get straight into the apartment tour. The first apartment that we toured was a 1-bedroom, and it was pretty nice, but I definitely like the 2 bedrooms a lot more. I like a lot of space, and also just for my dog, or like, I don't know, I like a lot of space. I don't need to explain myself. But walking into this unit, you will see that you have like a brown laminate flooring. It looks really nice. All of the units do have the same flooring, I believe. I only saw ones that have the exact same finishes and literally everything. White countertops with white cabinets as well. And then if you notice, in the cabinets there are shelves like kind of built in. I really like that feature. Like if you have cute glasses or plates or something that you want to store there, or plants even, you can put them there, and I feel like that'll look so cute. There is also an island, so you don't have to get like a dinner table, or you can if you want to. And then of course stainless steel appliances, which we love. We don't need them, but we love them. And then moving on to the living area, this This living area is honestly pretty big. You could fit like a good size setup in here, like the full setup. You can have a couch, a rug, a TV stand, what is that called? A coffee table, and then, you know, maybe even like a side chair or something. I feel like you could definitely fit that in there. The one thing that I don't like about the living room though is that, in this unit at least, is that you only have one window, which is also your balcony door. It is pretty big and you are getting a good amount of light, but I would definitely like to get more light in my apartment personally. And the view from the balcony, I do enjoy. I'm not too picky on the view. The view can change the price heavily. You should be okay with accepting a crap view until you're rich. And then once you have money, you can have a nice view, or you can just buy a big house. And then moving into the bedroom area, you can definitely fit a king size bed in this room with 2 nightstands and a dresser if you want. You could probably also fit your dresser in your closet, but we'll talk about that in a second. You do have a pretty good sized window in the bedroom. I like this window. I wish it was a little bit wider, but I do like the length of the window because it still brings in a lot of light. This room is very well lit, and I also like that little, like, in the ceiling. I don't know how to say it. I like that. I think that it adds a little bit to the room overall. Going into the closet, it is like an open feature, so you have like your right side and your left side. My dresser personally wouldn't fit in either of those spots, but maybe yours will. And if it does, then you can definitely put it in there and like maybe hang like your short stuff above the dresser and then like your long stuff on the other side. No complaints. And then the closet actually does have a door that closes off to the bathroom, which I am happy about. I want to be able to close the door to my bathroom. In this unit specifically, you have a bathtub with like the subway style type station. Wait, what did I just say? The subway tile style. Oh my God. Subway style type tile. Yeah. Oh my God. So in the bathroom, you have a bathtub with the subway station like tiles. They don't go all the way up to the ceiling, but it's okay. It still looks pretty good. And then the vanity does match the like kitchen setup with the white countertops and the white cabinets, which I prefer. Other than that, I did forget to mention the little small area within the living room. You could probably put like a Christmas tree there if you celebrate Christmas, or you could put like whatever you do for, you know, whatever holiday you celebrate in that area. I was just thinking of that because I'm excited for Christmas, but you could also put like a little workstation there. You could do all kinds of stuff with it. The very last like area in this apartment is this big ass washer and dryer spot. You don't have to worry about your closet being small because you can put half your stuff in that closet. Like literally, it's huge. It's freaking huge. You could definitely keep your dirty clothes in there. I don't know. You could do a lot. But that's everything that I have to say about the apartment. Let's talk about the fees. Studio / 1 bedroom, $200 deposit. 1 bedroom / 1 bathroom, $250. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, $300 deposit. 3 bed, 3 bath, $350 deposit. Application fee is $13 a person, 18 and over. Administration fee, $300. First parking space, $100. Premium parking space, $125. EV charging space, $150. Club room rental, $350. Income requirements: residents must provide verification that they make at least 2.5 times the monthly rent gross. I usually see 3.5, so I feel like they're very trusting. Pet information: dogs and cats, $35 per month per pet, $100 deposit, $300 pet fee per pet. 2 pets per household. That is everything, and honestly, I'm tired of talking and hearing my voice. I feel like it's getting worse the more that I talk. So I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the other units. They're just kind of like different layouts or in different spots. There's 2 bedrooms. I believe they're all 2 bedrooms from here, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that I lagged, but I promise that I will have a video up for you on Saturday. I'm really gonna be on it. I promise. I'm not gonna fuck up again. Okay, subscribe, like, love you, bye.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready